A warm welcome to this session on demonstration of solar panel maintenance, cleaning, DC array inspection, precaution while cleaning. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to perform maintenance of solar photovoltaic panels.
Tools and instruments or equipment required. Container, clean water, wiper, cleaning fluid. Perform maintenance of solar photovoltaic panels. Clean the solar photovoltaic array. Manual. Do not sit, stand or walk on solar panel. Even keeping palm on panel for resting for few moments also can damage internally the solar photovoltaic cell. Ensure water used is free from dirt and physical contaminants. Deionized water is preferable. Water with mineral content more than 200 ppm should not be used. Cleaning agent must be mild. Non-caustic and non-abrasive detergents may be used. For normal cleaning, where dirt is not visible, only water or thinly diluted cleaning agent can be used. Add more cleaning agent where dirt or dust level is more. Pour the mix on the surface exposed to sun and gently brush with wiper to clean. Do not brush or clean on the reverse side of the modules to avoid damage to the lead wires or the junction box. For removing stubborn marks of bird droppings, insects, dirt, etc., make use of soft sponge, fiber cloth or non-abrasive brush. Do not sit, stand or step on the modules for cleaning. Do not use a metal brush to clean solar panel surface. DC array inspection. DC array inspection will give details on module condition, module cleaning, damage of module, dirt accumulation, etc. Inspect a subset of array top glass inspection. Back sheet inspection. Look for spots, blisters burned through, discoloration. Proper wire condition and sizing. Check for connectors on array wiring extensions. Inspect module and array junction boxes. Look for sealants, proper wire management. Inspect module clamping methodology. Check for loose fasteners, secured and sealed properly. Inspect array for buildup of debris underneath. Clean whenever necessary. Visually check array. If broken, damaged or loose module, loose racking hardware, wiring and MC4 connectors. Visually check all DC disconnections and combiner corrosion, blown fuses, moisture entry, heat distortion, insect or rodent issues. Check for ground continuity between the frames and racking structure. Check for continuity of cable to electrical earth. Recap.
In this session, we have learnt how to perform maintenance of solar photovoltaic panels. Hope you have understood all the concepts in this session. See you in the next session with a new concept. Thank you.